Here we have the latest Echo Show 21, and behind me is the original Echo Show 15. Obviously the new one is bigger, but it's also got a Zigbee, Thread, and Matter connectivity built in for smart home. They did move the camera to the center, they've got a higher resolution, and then they've increased the sound quality. So I've heard that we can actually use the same bracket from the 15 as we can with this 21. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this installed. In the box, we've got the instructions here, as well as the bracket. I'll set that aside. We've got the included power. Got some batteries here. And then it does come with a remote. With the 15, that was an option, and so I did not choose to get the remote previously. So this will be nice to have. I'll remove the old one. Quick size comparison here. We got 21 and 15, so a little bit bigger. And one thing to note is that it's 15 inches from the screen edges, so there's like an inch on either side. And I suspect that the same is true here with the 21. Do a measurement here once we've got it up on the wall. On the top, we've got a privacy filter. I'll go ahead and turn that on. Looking at the power supplies, they're both 30 watts, so they should be the same. So I'm just going to use the one I've already got plugged in. Like so. Oh yeah, that looks nice. All right, so that's going to get booted up here. Again, a little size comparison. So there we go, we've got the Fire TV hooked up with the remote. And so the screen size is 21 inches, but the overall size is actually 25 inches. So it actually works out to be 21 and a half wide and just over 13 inches tall, compared to the original, which is 16 inches wide, 10 and a fourth, give or take, tall, and then diagonally, so actually 18 and a half, so 15-inch screen, and then a little bit of buffer for the edge there. So again, the size comparison, a bit larger, uses the same mount. The new one has Zigbee, it's got Thread, it's got Matter, comes with a remote. So I think it's a nice little upgrade for this spot, and I'm very happy.